Let me show you how to make transparent effect in Photoshop. I'm using this image as background. Download link in the description. Go to Filter menu. Blur. Gaussian blur. Set the radius 38 pixels. And hit OK. Go to File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Select your image. Click on Place. Adjust image size accordingly. Right-click. Choose Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate image. Go to Image menu. Adjustments. Desaturate. Change blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl+L to open level adjustment layer. Follow the settings. Add a layer mask. Select Brush tool. Choose Hard Round Brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Hold Alt and drag the layer mask to copy. Press Ctrl+I to invert. Select Elliptical Marquee tool. Draw a circle holding Alt+Shift. Press Ctrl+C for copy. Press Ctrl+V for paste. Press Ctrl+T for free transform. Adjust image size accordingly. Select layer mask of the top layer. Choose Brush tool. Make sure foreground color is white. And follow the process. Now, I will add the water splash. Create a new layer on background layer. You can give a name of the layer. Select Brush tool. Brush preset download link in the description. And follow the process. Select Eraser tool. Erase the unwanted splash you want to remove. That's it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.